The 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is a pickup truck powered by a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine. With an automatic transmission, this pickup truck, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 21 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features power door locks, towing package, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include heated power mirrors, navigation system, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.